If you're into 1/32 scale toy soldiers, you're going to want to see these. Stick around. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. This is Paul Knapp coming to you once again from the Man Cave, and I have a new review for you. This comes to us from Scavenger Toys and Collectibles on eBay. So let's take a closer look at these 3D printed items for 1/32 scale collectors. Now this is a first time purchase for me. I was unfamiliar with Scavenger Toys and Collectibles on eBay. I was searching for 3D printed World War II figures and this popped up. When you go to his site, you may find it under Swamp Fox, I believe, 3D printed items. So let's take a closer look at what he sent. These come very nicely packed, bubble wrap, also in bags. These appear to be all Germans. I asked him if he would put together just a little sampling of the 3D printed items that he has, and that's what he gave me. I'm not sure if you can order them this way or how they come, but you can check that out on his site. I'll take these out and take a closer look at them for you, but it appears to be about 7 figures, all German. So let's take a closer look at these. Now the first figure we have for you is the surrendering German standing. Has both hands up. If you're wondering about scale, just to give you some idea, here is a Mars figure. Here is a Conte figure. So it is true 1/32 scale. It's a little bit thinner than what you're used to. If you collect Conte or TSSD, it is definitely not as bulky, but it is true 1/32 scale toy soldiers. Let me turn it around, show you the back, just to give you some idea. Again, not as bulky, but still very nice quality. And this comes to you in hard resin plastic. The standing and surrendering with hands on head. Again, very nice figure. They come to you in a darker gray resin. You're probably going to want to paint these, even if it's just a primer coat of spray paint. You could leave them like this. Again, here's the gray in the Mars color, just to give you some idea of color. But this is your surrendering with hands on head. Up is kneeling with hands on head, surrendering. I like these poses. Again, these are poses Marx would never have given us back in the day. Kneeling, surrendering. The fourth pose is aiming downward. Again, these are all German figures. Very nicely sculpted. True 1/32 scale. Next up we have standing firing. They all come with this kind of hexagon base. You can see that, if you will. I'm not sure if that's for gaming or if that's just a generic base to use, but you could easily paint that up or put some dirt on it. The sixth pose is, I would call this either loading or on guard, possibly. Again, same color, very nice pose. Nice figure all around. And your final pose here is, I would say, marching or advancing forward with the rifle in hand. So all 7 poses, again, were German, all in the same color. Keep in mind, these are true 1/32 scale, not as big as TSSD, Conte, okay, but probably would go very well with your CTS or original Marx figures. So again, look this gentleman up. It is Scavenger Toys and Collectibles on eBay. And under his site on eBay, check out Swamp Fox Miniatures. And I'll post his site at the end of this as well. And let me give you a couple pictures of close-ups. Thanks for watching.